Welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to view and reply to the tickets. On the home page, click Transactions, scroll down to Communication and Collaboration, click Help Desk, click View Tickets under Configure, select the status from the drop-down. New is a fresh or a new request or a query. In progress indicates that the ticket is being worked upon. Resolved indicates that the issue has been addressed and a solution has been provided. This ticket is still open and can be reopened if the problem persists or new information arises. Closed represents the final stage of the ticket lifecycle. The issue is considered completely resolved and the ticket is locked, preventing further updates. You can search by entering the ticket number or the employee name. Click the ticket ID. Click Reply to respond to the ticket. Enter your response and click Reply. All the responses made for the ticket will be displayed. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.